boys, what is going on? Little update today. Sadly enough, we are silent again. OG exhaust is back on, which is, yeah, quite frustrating to say the least. I sound like a little lawnmower again, which, yeah, I mean, I checked the exhaust and all I can tell you is I wasn't sure if it's legal. It was 100% illegal. It was like not legal at all. Had to change it. Weird day. But on the upside, I found out that they actually did remove some tooth from the front sprocket. So it's a... is it bigger? Is it smaller? Like if it has less teeth, is it smaller then? So yeah, that explains why I can't hit the top speed I want to. Because the front sprocket is like less teeth. And so it's supposed to go faster in the lower end, but it will lag in the higher end, which is something I really don't care about because I'm not the fastest anyway. If I want to, I'm still faster than cars because, or like if they want to, I'm faster than them because they have to accelerate like quite fast. And people usually don't do that, so I'm on the better side with that. So I don't care about less power or more power in the lower end, but I do care about more power in the higher end because if I go countryside, I want to have a bit more speed because, like I explained in the first video, if you can go 100, people like to go over 100, and I can basically just hit 100, 103 to be exact, and I hate this. And it's making it like, if you go by common sense, people see my bike, they don't know I'm just a 125, so they think I can go faster, I'm just not willing to, so they creep up my ass to make me go faster because they want to go faster and I can't go faster. So it's like really dangerous out there for people like me, grown as adults on just 125s because fucking expensive driver's licenses and all that stuff. So I ordered the OG front sprocket kind of rubberized. I don't know if that will help a lot or not, but I hope it will. And yeah, hopefully do that upgrade in like a few days. I have a holiday on Friday, so everything's closed then. That's when I hopefully will find the time to do that. Dude, full-time working is weird. Make me a famous rich YouTuber on the 125. It's so funny. So yeah, legal exhaust and soon to have my top speed again. I will have to try to do a video how fast my acceleration right now actually is and how big of a difference that is, because if you care about this and you drive a 125 and you want to know what this is, yeah, it might be helpful though, so I'll definitely do that. And that's basically all I wanted to say for today. Just a little update. And yeah, nice weather driving. Going to my best friend's house. Oh, sorry. Why am I always doing that? I do not have my bike under control by a bit. I was just reaching down here. Why's the placement for the stupid horn so dumb? That guy is wondering the whole day why he just got honked at. I don't even know why. Like I honked. I don't know why I honked. I wasn't planning on. It's so dumb. And the amounts of times that it happens to me, like this is going to be my upgrade. I'm just going to unplug the horn. Because fuck that horn. You're not, like, I'm not honking anyway. Or I'm not intending on. Why would I honk? Especially not with that stupid ass meep. Meep. Who am I? Roadrunner? Oh, can't go fast here. Look at this little fucker. Look at him. Camera right there. Oh, that video is going to tell you so much about my country. Holy shit. So just the camera you've seen. The little fucker. There's another one. The upgraded version. He's actually like a motorcyclist's worst enemy. It's like a speed trap. And he takes a picture of you if you're going too fast. Like the way they do it is they take a picture of you, but on bikes. On the front you have no license plate, so they don't know where to send the picture. So they upgraded those fucks, and now they take a picture back too. So if you go fast, it takes a picture of you from the front, and if you're behind it, it takes another picture, and then gets your license plate. Like, should learn the move where you put your foot up like on the license plate. No, I'm not planning on going too fast, dear state. I'm not doing illegal stuff. I'm just a 125. I can barely go over speed limit. I'm so slow. Why is there so much traffic? I thought always those people were already at their destinations where they could get like ice cream and shit. This is why I love this is why I love a bike. Like, I'm so agile, I'm so quick. I can split lanes, do the cool things. Now I have to go slower. That's what I hate. I hate speed limits. Oh, does he have that weird exhaust? I could get that exhaust in like black with carbon optic for my bike as well. I just checked because I want to have a sports exhaust too, right? It was cool having a loud exhaust. But then again, why would I spend like $200 to $500 on a 125 exhaust? That is not taking me anywhere anyway, right? Oh no! Someone's hurt! Be quick, people! Thank you so much for watching. Gonna whip here. See you in the next one. Bye.